Hey everyone, Meowing the Killer Meowth here again. Sorry about the glare. I'm having to record with a desk lamp on right now. I don't have any light bulbs for my room, so I went to Walmart today and saw a bunch of these 007 DVDs for $10 each. So, Sean Connery Collection Volume 1, Volume 2, the Roger Moore Collection Volume 1. They did not have Volume 2 for this. The Pierce Brosnan Collection. And then, of course, the modern one, the Daniel Craig Collection. So, I found all these DVDs at Walmart for $10 each and thought it was a steal. I haven't seen any 007 movies, so I wanted to get these because they were so cheap. And if I end up liking the movies, which most likely I will pick up the Blu-ray set and make a video on that too. But I've been getting into 007 lately because I've been playing the games and I really like the games. So first is Sean Connery Volume 1. Sorry if you hear any noise in the background. It's either my brother coming in or my aunt. I do not have the nails for this. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I grabbed a micro USB so I can dig into the shrink wrap. Hang on, I'm trying to switch hands over here. And my fingers keep getting in the way of the camera. This is kind of irritating. Hold on. Alright. So I am definitely gonna have to cut some of the unboxing plastic because it's just taking me so long. Sorry if I'm quiet. I don't really have much to say until I get into this. So just in case anybody cares, which most people will, the movies on this are Dr. No, From Russia with Love, and Goldfinger. And these all came with a slipcover, except for the Daniel Craig collection. It just didn't have it for some reason. Okay, this is Dr. No. Of course, kinda saw that coming. From Russia with Love. Come on. And then Goldfinger. No, just... Whoa. Almost fell over. Alright. So that's Sean Connery Volume 1. Trying to get it back in the box. Okay. And here's Sean Connery Volume 2. Okay. I'm just gonna cut these in between because I gotta put the boxes down, pick the micro USB up, and cut into the boxes. Okay. And these ones are Thunderball, You Only Live Twice, and Diamonds Are Forever. Diamonds Are Forever. I don't know the order these are supposed to be in, so I will look afterwards. Thunderball and You Only Live Twice. What order are these supposed to be in? 1965. Okay. Yeah, so they're in the right order. And then the Roger Moore collection. Is he the next one? Yeah, okay, he's the next one. Alright, so just gotta unwrap this. And the ones are Live and Let Die, The Man with the Golden Gun, The Spy Who Loved Me. Okay, let's get this out of its slipcover. Oh, this one's being pushy with me. It's fighting me. Doesn't want to come out. There we go. Live and Let Die. The Man with the Golden Gun. The Spy Who Loved Me. Okay. Now the Pierce Brosnan collection. Pierce Brosnan, sorry. Okay. I couldn't believe these were so dirt cheap when I found them at Walmart. Almost all of them. The only ones they didn't have were Roger Moore, Volume 2, and Timothy Dalton. But other than that, these are pretty much all of them. Okay. GoldenEye. I've heard that that one's like one of people's all-time favorites. Tomorrow Never Dies. The World Is Not Enough. And Die Another Day. Okay. And then last is the Daniel Craig collection. Okay. So this one has Casino Royale, Quantum of Solace, Skyfall, and Spectre. Okay, so these are out of order. I'm gonna fix them. I'll fix these after I'm done recording. But Spectre, Quantum of Solace, Casino Royale, and Skyfall. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. There's some dust on it. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.